Hello, welcome to the Alphacam 2018 R2 What's New videos. This video covers the functionality in our new function alternate unit. Let's get started. You will see that we've created a new tab called alternate unit. This will allow you to display additional information to the original set of dimensions. It's very flexible in the sense that you'll be able to apply a unit multiplier and an individual suffix for both the primary and the secondary units. Of course, the immediate application is to be able to display information in millimeters as well as inches, but this will also allow you to display information, for example, in a different unit set than what the drawing originally was created in. You can draw in millimeters as required by your tooling in Alphacam, but then you can display the information, say, in feet or yards or whatever is applicable to your project requirements. We've done this, of course, to allow the unit multiplier to give you that flexibility, right? Which we can see up here. We've also given you the ability to have user-defined suffixes for both the primary and the secondary units, or the alternate units. And you'll see that now the manual notes have greater flexibility, allowing you to create individual notes. So let's look at a demo. So I'm here in Alphacam, and I'm going to dimension this simple casework component. I'm going to go into my dimensions, and as I promised before, you'll be able to configure the primary units as well as the alternate units. They are completely independent. So the primary units may have their own suffix. They may or may not have trailing zeros, etc. You'll also be able to define the tolerances for the primary units separate from the alternate units. The typical application, as I said, could be using millimeters and inches in the same exact drawing. And here you can clearly see that I'm showing 4 decimal places. So how is this applicable? I'm going to use a horizontal dimension, and now you can see that I have 700 millimeters or 27.58 inches. I can also do vertical dimensions, right? And there you go. Finally, as I was telling you, you can use this to create interesting custom information. For example, I'm going to use the primary units as a manual input, and the alternate units are going to remain as my metric system. Let's take a look at that. So now I can simply enter custom text, your custom note here. And you can get that initial custom text as well as the desired dimension. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next video.